How you doing? Hey, thanks for checking out this Laminata product. Really is a good product. We've done hundreds and hundreds of meters of this fencing. It's a product that's been developed in New Zealand, and what it is it's pretty much a solution to the timber fence, because most people know that the standard timber fencing, the paling fencing, the rough sawn stuff, is prone to twisting and warping, and it's pretty hard to paint because you end up with delamination. But this Laminata product, it's a 275 wide board. See, that's a single board there. That's another board. That's another board. And what that is it's a tongue and groove. So one side has a tongue, the other side has the groove, and they slot together. The good thing about these boards is that they are cross-laminated. So what that means is they've got 3 sheets. They've put the grain one way, they've glued it together, and then they've changed the grain sideways, and then they put another one on top, so you've got cross-lamination. And the deal with cross-lamination is that the grain of the board is crossed. So as it's glued together and compressed and under high pressure, it creates quite a stable product. So they've managed to take this normal pine boards with knots in them, and actually cross-laminate it so it's quite stable, so suitable for painting. So this Laminata product that you're looking at right now is actually the vertical version. There is a horizontal version where the boards actually go horizontally, so you can go vertical or horizontal. Just from memory, the horizontal is, don't quote me, but I think it's like 1970. I'll have to double check that, have a look down in the description. But you can cut the top. It just means this board here, this actual top rail, has got 2 grooves in it, so you can cut the board this way and actually bring it down, so you could potentially do any height you want. So yeah, this is the vertical. These posts are screwed together with these bugles, 100mm bugles, and there's a space on the inside, and the board slots on the inside of it. And then this baseboard is actually, I think it's H5 or H4, I can't remember, but it's suitable for touching dirt. So you can actually install this fence with a sloped bottom. So what you can do is you can rip that bottom board. You can even put 2 boards or 3 boards in. So potentially you could use this as a retaining setup. If you probably up to 400 millimeters, you could have 400 high retaining. Probably wouldn't go up much higher than that. Get longer posts and install it that way. So yeah, so this is the Laminata vertical. It's actually installed in a stepped concrete strip, you can see, and yeah, it's a really, really good product. Highly recommend it. If you've got also has some acoustic properties, I think probably up to 5 dB, 5 to 10 dB. It's not a lot. If you go on their website and have a look, it has the acoustic rating. But yeah, it is, I guess, technically called an acoustic fence, probably an entry level acoustic fence. So if that's what you're interested in, these are the caps. Yeah, hit us up at strongfencing.co.nz, and happy to talk about your project. Cool. Probably one last thing is you can actually side fix these posts to retaining walls as well. So yeah, it's a pretty versatile product. Cool. Have a great day. That's Laminata Vertical.